This is a digital reader recording for the Pearson Edexcel Functional Skills Mathematics Level 1 exam on the 12th of January 2018. Question 1. Luke is a member of the rowing club. The rowing club organises a charity event using indoor rowing machines. The table shows the time it took Luke to row 10 kilometres in 6 training sessions. Time taken, minutes. Luke can enter the rowing event if his mean time to row 10 kilometres is less than 50 minutes. A. Is his mean time to row 10 kilometres less than 50 minutes? Show a check of your working. Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Use the box below to show your check. Teams take part in the rowing event. Each team must row a total distance of 67 miles. The indoor rowing machines show the distance rowed in kilometres, km. Luke uses this rule to change miles into kilometres. Distance in miles, multiply by 8, divide by 5, distance in kilometres. Luke thinks 67 miles is the same distance as 110 kilometres. Is Luke correct? Show why you think this. Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Question 2. Luke wants to make some snacks for the rowing event. He has these lists of ingredients. Energy bars makes 8 bars, 1 tablespoon of oil, 3 bananas, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 280 grams of oats, 2 tablespoons of mixed seeds. Smoothie, each 1 banana, 300 ml of skimmed milk, 30 grams of oats, 100 grams of plain yogurt, 140 grams mixed berries. Luke has 2 kilograms of oats. He will make 4 smoothies. Luke also wants to make 50 energy bars to sell at the event. Does Luke have enough oats to make 4 smoothies and 50 energy bars? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Question 3. The table shows the amount of money collected by each team for the rowing event. Team, amount collected. A, 2,347. B, 3,862. C, 3,581. D, 1,954. Luke was in Team A. He says, Team A collected a fifth of the total amount. Is a fifth of the total amount of money collected 2,347? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. The rowing club is writing a cheque to present to the charity. The total amount collected for the charity is £12,096. Write £12,096 in figures on the cheque. Write the figure next to the pound sign on the cheque below. Question 4. Ben wants to keep rabbits in his garden. The rabbits will live in a rabbit run and hutch. Ben wants to have 2 rabbits. He knows that each rabbit needs a floor space of 4,500 centimetres squared. Ben has a hutch with a floor space of 9,500 centimetres squared. Is this floor space big enough for 2 rabbits? Show why you think this is. Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Ben has a lawn in his garden. The lawn is in the shape of a rectangle, 6 meters by 5 meters. What is the area of the lawn? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Question 5. Ben wants to put the rabbit run and hutch on his lawn. The space for the rabbit run must be square, 350 centimeters by 350 centimeters. Have at least 50 centimeters space to walk around it. The space for the rabbit hutch must be rectangular, 200 centimeters by 50 centimeters. The rabbit hutch will be in a corner inside the rabbit run. The grid below is a plan of the lawn. A. Draw a space for the rabbit run and the rabbit hutch on the grid. Remember to use the key. Key. 1 square on the grid is 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters on the lawn. Ben needs to put wire fencing around the rabbit run. Wire fencing is sold in rolls of length 6 meters. The fencing can be joined. Ben has 3 rolls of wire fencing. Are 3 rolls of wire fencing enough to go around the rabbit run? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Question 6. Ben wants to compare different types of rabbit food. He knows that 500 grams of dried rabbit food contains 90 grams of fibre. 30% of the weight of hay is fibre. Ben thinks that 500 grams of hay has twice as much fibre as 500 grams of dried rabbit food. Is Ben correct? Show why you think this. Show a check if you're working. Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Use the box below to show your check. Section C. Eye Care Centre. Question 7. Carrie works at an eye care centre. Amal has an eye test at the eye care centre. The table below shows some information about the results of her eye test in 2017 and in 2015. Lens strength needed, date of test, left lens, right lens. Note, all figures are positive. Amal wants to know which lens strength has changed the most. A. Which lens strength has changed the most? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. After his eye test, Amal needs to pay £25 for her eye test, £155 for the frames, £39.50 for the lenses, insurance for her frames and lenses. The table below shows the cost of insurance, total cost of frames and lenses, cost of insurance. B. How much does Amal have to pay in total? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Question 8. George has an eye test. These are part of his results. Contact lens strength needed. Left lens, right lens. George wants to know which number is smaller, -3 or -4. Which is the smaller number, -3 or -4? Write the answer in the box below. George has these 2 options for contact lenses. Option A, £108 for 90 pairs. Option B, £1.15 each pair. George wants to buy 90 pairs of contact lenses. He wants to pay as little as possible. Which option should George use? Show a check for your working. Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Use the box below to show your check. Question 9. Carrie wants to record information about the type of eyewear people like. She needs a data collection sheet to show their age, under 20, 20 to 60, over 60, Which type of eyewear people like, glasses only, contact lenses only, or both? Design a data collection sheet for Carrie. Use the box below for your data collection sheet. Carrie has this information about the age of people who used the eye care centre. Age of people. Carrie says, the pie chart shows that a quarter of the people using the eye care centre were 36 to 60 years old. Is Carrie correct? Show why you think this. Use the box below to explain your answer. This is the end of the test.